Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off permissions for our application to use microphone in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn our permissions off, we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for security and privacy options, and here we have privacy menu. And we're going to be using permission manager. As you can see, we have few options here, and we want to turn off our microphone. Let's say I don't want Google to use our microphone, so do not allow, yes, don't allow anyway, and now as you can see, Chrome is not allowed to use our microphone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.